Alright, here we are on location, the wolf spider. Alright, so there's the range. Luckily, we live north, and this spider likes the south. So here's the convenient arrow showing us spider is here. Alright, look at that big boy. We don't want to meet you in the middle of the night. So I think kind of looking at it from far away since the glass makes it a little fuzzy. Alright, so pretty hairy and nasty looking spider. Oh look, I think I found the den. That's the cave where he probably goes and eats. Alright, so here it is, wolf spider at the American Museum of Natural History. Spider's alive. Signing off.